Ding dong bell, ding dong bell, who's in the well? Who put her in? Little Tommy Pin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Toad. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Toad. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell, who's in the well? Who put her in? Little Tommy Pin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Toad. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Toad. What a naughty boy was that? Who don't put pussycat? Hello, this is Ellie. I am an ESL instructor. I have been teaching English for 5 years. Since then, I have taught in different schools and kindergarten. I am fun-loving and energetic teacher. I am very good at planning activities for my students. I can teach by singing, by dancing, and so many other ways. At present, I am looking for an English teaching job. If you happen to know any opportunity, please let me know. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.